Firewall evasion scripts are tools used to circumvent firewalls and network intrusion detection systems, IDs. These tools might be utilized by penetration testers to test the resilience of a network against attempts to evade security measures. Note that unauthorized use of these tools might be illegal, so they should only be used in legitimate cybersecurity practices. Here's an example of a firewall evasion script that uses a technique called fragmentation. This method breaks down packets into smaller pieces, making it more challenging for firewalls or IDs to detect malicious content. Here's a breakdown of the code. IP header is created with the destination IP address. The TCP header is created with the destination port, a random sequence number, and the SYN flag set. Malicious payload, such as a known attack pattern, is fragmented into smaller pieces. Send fragments, the for loop sends the fragmented packets, each containing a small part of the payload. Note that this is a simplified example for educational purposes and may not work against modern, sophisticated firewall systems. In practice, firewall evasion might include combinations of fragmentation, encryption, tunneling, and other techniques. Penetration testers and cybersecurity professionals can use this knowledge to understand potential weak points in their firewalls and IDs and take measures to enhance security against evasion attempts. Always seek proper authorization and follow ethical guidelines when testing these techniques on live systems.